Hey everyone, Mark here again at Seaway Hyundai. Let's take a look at another great pre-owned vehicle in the virtual showroom. 2014 Hyundai Tucson, local trade. Customer simply fell in love with another Tucson. Always happy to take our trades back. We'll take any trade. 14 Tucson GL all-wheel drive. You've seen the kilometers. Low, low, low. That's what we love. Low kilometer SUVs, because that's what the public loves. So again, I apologize about the sun. Here we go. We got a little bit out of the sun here. This vehicle's in great shape. Nice red color. Got the alloy wheels. Nice feature to have, kind of makes the vehicle pop. I love the look of these Tucsons. I know they changed in 2016, but I still love the look of, I think it was, excuse me, from 2011 to 2015. Nice Tucsons. So alloy wheels, hood's in nice shape, windshield's in nice shape, roof's in nice shape, no visible damage or anything like that. And we like to do these videos, transparency. I mentioned it was all-wheel drive. So good back seat, good size trunk. Definitely one of our most popular vehicles. It's not too big, not too small. 60/40 split folding rear seats. You got anchors on all three seats. So if you have some child seats, definitely have the ability to accommodate that. So again, those seats fold flat. Definitely get some more cargo space. You got the spare down here, which I hope we never have to use, but if you do, it's there. This one has some really nice tires, meaty tires on it. Love customers to take good care of their stuff. So again, cloth seats, nice gray interior finish. Carpets are all nice. You got some cup holders here which can flip up, turn into your fifth seat. So again, it's all standard. Power windows on the rear. We move into the front here. You got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the ability to lock those rear windows, keep the kids safe. You have an adjustable driver's seat up, down. You can move the back piece back to forward. And you also can move the whole seat back to forward with the lever underneath the seat. On the inside, you have interior illumination, you have four-wheel drive lock, and you have downhill brake assist control, some of the standard features. Just gonna turn this one on. It has been a hot day today. All right, what else you get? You get some cool music. You got all your volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You have your trip odometer here, your cruise control here. So again, all the tips of the driver's finger, all at the fingertips of the driver. You have all your plugins down here, USB, iPods, some 12 volts, auxiliaries. You have heated seats, 2-stage on both sides, right as you can see. All your air conditioning, front rear defrost, all standard right here. And you have additional rear defrost. And this is for your windshield wipers to defrost your windshield wipers. So you get lots of standard features. You have, here's your radio system. I just want to make sure this one has XM satellite radio capabilities. So if you have an XM radio, you can add it, ID, you can add it, subscription, you can add it to this one. If you want to try it out, you have the ability to definitely use XM and give it a shot and see if you like it. It's definitely a cool feature. CD player standard, so if you got those burnt CDs, throw them in there, don't throw them out yet. This might be the vehicle for you to save your CDs. Active Eco, drive in the most fuel efficient mode, traction control, so you can shut off your hazards. It's got all the right stuff. You've seen the kilometers, low kilometers for 2014. That's what it's all about. So again, we just looked at a 2014 Hyundai Tucson GL all-wheel drive. Call, text, or email if you have any questions. It's my pleasure to show you this vehicle in the virtual showroom today. You can visit us anytime you want to book an appointment. We're happy to help you out. Make sure you bring your mask, but we are here to help. Shop 24/7seawayhyundai.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. We have tons of giveaways, so do not miss out.